add products. Go to the products page, click on add new product. Enter a product title, a description. Select your image for the product. Enter a product SKU. SKUs should be unique, so it is always suggested to have a numeric value and increasing value. The currency needs to be in the form of code. So if you are selling in Indian rupees, it will be INR. If you are selling in dollars, it will be USD. Define your product stock or quantity, the selling price. Now if you are running a promotional offer on your product, you can define a sale price. If not, you can leave it blank. Define a brand of your product. Select your product category. We have a separate video on how to create product categories. Enter an importer name. This is mandatory only for Indian businesses. Importer name, origin country, and WhatsApp compliance category. The country will again be in country code format, that is IN. If you are not importing it, simply enter the origin country as IN. If you have selected your catalog type as e-commerce, external product link is mandatory by Meta. And if you have selected catalog type as normal store or service, external product link won't be required. So depending upon your catalog type, while you are creating the catalog, this might be mandatory. So always enter the link if you have one and then click on save.